Hey, it's Gail Bennell here. Today I have just finished preparing for my meeting with my accountant tomorrow to do my end of financial year tax. As a business owner, we all must do. And I wanted to share with you one other simple system that I have for keeping track of all my invoices and receipts in particular. Now, this is something that can get really, really messy. You know, you might go buy some stationery, a new printer, a computer. You might buy some refreshments if you're traveling to see clients. There's petrol costs, there's rent costs, everything. And you might have a pile of receipts and a pile of invoices, and some are in your email and some are in your wallet or floating around your office if you're a little disorganized, which I have to confess I once was. I used to just have a pile of receipts and I didn't really know what to do with them. Then I'd go to my accountant and they'd say, right, well, you can either give them to us and we'll charge you to put them in order, or you can go home and do it yourself, which is mind-numbingly boring for me. I don't know about you. But I've discovered a super simple way to do it, and so that I don't have to do it and I don't have to pay my accountant fees to do it either. It's a system called Shoeboxed. And what I do is I take my receipts and I print out a cover sheet and I send them to this company. They're based in Sydney, and they scan them in and they categorize them for me. And then they link it up with my online software, my accounting software, and it's already in my accounting software ready for me to confirm and check off that everything's in order. This has saved so much time for me. This is one of the mind-numbingly boring things that you can do in your business for me, is data entry of financial receipts and keeping track of all of that. Now all I do is I keep all my receipts in my wallet, and then when it gets a bit full, I send them off to this company called Shoeboxed, and they're named because you could literally email a shoebox full of receipts to them and they will look after it for you, which is an amazing service. It's about $20 a month. And it really is such a time saver for me, and it's totally worth every cent for me. Today, when I've gone through my accounts and everything is in order virtually automatically, amazing. What do you do to keep track of your receipts and invoices and expenses in your business? How do you manage all the nitty-gritty of that? I'd love to know, and I know that so many in our community would love to know as well what you do to make the financial side of your business run smoothly. So please leave a comment so that others can learn from what you've done, and we can all learn together.